Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to swap out the mirror glass on this driver's side mirror. So let me just turn it out here. I'm going to put some masking tape on it so that if it breaks while I'm removing it, the masking tape will catch the pieces, or if your mirror is already broken, the masking tape will help hold the pieces together. So you just kind of peel some off, cover the mirror with it. Any type of masking tape will do, duct tape. This is our new replacement mirror. It's hard to see what you're working with when you're trying to get the mirror off here. There are some clips around the inside of it that I'm going to use a right angle pick and a flat bladed screwdriver to try to pop these off and pull this mirror glass assembly off. So let me put this down. I'm going to push the mirror glass in as far in at the top as it will go so I can try to get underneath it. Try to work these clips loose. So basically just trying to pry it up and off of the clips. Once you pry it up and off the clips, you can go in and unplug it. So this is for the turn signal part, so I'll pop that out. There is some little locks here. I'm going to use a small pick to push the lock in. And there's a lock on both sides, so I'm trying to push it in. To make this clip easier to remove, I'm going to spray a little bit of glass cleaner on there. You can use this or water displacement oil. They just get filled up with dirt and they get jammed up. Sometimes if you spray that in there, it helps to get them apart. And you can try to push in, there's a lock on each side. I've got a pick on one side. Let me see if I can take another pick. Wedge it out. There we go. Heated mirror connectors are just little spade connectors. They should pull right off. Just kind of wiggle them back and forth. And there's our glass. Here's the original mirror we pulled from our vehicle. It has a turn signal integrated, it's heated. This is the brand new one from 1A Auto. It also has the turn signal in it, it's heated. It's of similar design. It should work great and fit great for you. I'm gonna take some glass cleaner and just clean some of this dirt out of here. This way when I put the new mirror on, I'll know it'll clip into place. It won't be held up by any pieces of dirt. And we'll take our new one and I'll plug it in. This is keyed. It will only go in one way. There's a little tab and then a matching part of the connector. I'll push it in and then run this wire on the outside edge here and plug in the heated part. Doesn't matter which orientation you plug these wires in. They're probably going to rest in the way they came off, but there's no polarity to them. These spade connectors fit a little bit loosely, so I'm just going to take some needle nose pliers and just crush them down a little bit. So they fit tighter. Put our wiring up into place. And this will clip on to the motor part. Put our mirror back in place. We'll check our turn signal operation. You hit the hazard switch. Those will work just like the original. And the job is complete. Passenger side is the exact same procedure.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.